I usually don't do these kind of videos, but look what showed up in the mail. This is the Uwant D100 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and then we can look at what it came with. It came with the main unit, the dual water tank, the self-cleaning base, and girl, I'm already loving the sleek design. It's not one of those bulky, ugly vacuums. Okay guys, so we're about to go ahead and test out this vacuum. I'm so excited because I took it off the charger. It didn't take that long to charge. I took it off the charger and I believe it just started speaking to me. Like it was like AI. Like this is like the smartest vacuum I've ever seen in my life. But I want to show y'all the mess that I have underneath my kitchen. What is it called? Kitchen island, kitchen counter kind of thing. This is where me and Kyrie eat a lot. So this is probably the messiest area in terms of crumbs, food, plastic wrappers, etc. in the entire house, to be honest with y'all. So I'm gonna show it to you guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a real world first time test review. I'm a little nervous because it is a lot of crumbs under here. So we're gonna vacuum and then we are gonna mop. I went ahead and showed y'all. So I've diluted the cleaning water that it comes with. You use 30 milliliters per 1 liter of water. So I already did that. So I'm about to put the water tank back. As y'all can see, the water tank is missing. And then I'm gonna vacuum. Oh, so nervous. Oh my God, this thing is so cool. Hold on, y'all. The water tank is so easy to put back in. Literally, you just, that's it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna make you hear it. It literally talks to you, y'all. Look.
Start cleaning.
Whoa, slow down.
Power on. Uwant D100, power on.
So this is how under my island looks. It is filled with crumbs, papers, etc. like I told y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out and see how it works. All right, we're gonna start off with the vacuum.
Uwant D100 at your service. Start cleaning.
The first thing that I noticed is the handle. It is super slick and it rotates instead of forcing your wrist to bend, making it feel like you're not even holding anything. And it's super lightweight, so you can clean without getting fatigued. The D100 has a smart AI system that automatically adjusts suction and water flow. You can also manually choose from 3 water output levels. And with the dual water tanks, it recovers up to 95% of dirty water, leaving your floors dry quickly. One of my favorite features is the self-cleaning air drying system. After you're done cleaning, you just gotta put the vacuum back on the base, press a button, and it cleans itself and dries itself. I'm not gonna miss the days where I would have a stinky mop and a stinky mop bucket. This vacuum avoids all of that. It eliminates all of that. This is the best wet dry vacuum on the market. This is how you charge the vacuum. It comes with a cleaning tray and it also comes with a base. The base connects onto a power outlet and then you snap the vacuum onto the base. Once you do that, the vacuum will charge, and with it fully charged, you get about 40 minutes of high turbo vacuum and mopping power. Being a mom and having a kid means constant messes, whether it's milk, juice, water, crumbs, cookies, from chips, it doesn't even matter. You name it, and the D100 can pick it up. This vacuum makes cleaning up after my little one so much easier. And guess what? It can handle it all. It's perfect for busy households, pet owners, and anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. And I don't know if I told you guys, but this thing can run on 40 minutes with a full battery. I am in love with this vacuum. I posted this on Instagram and you guys were going crazy. I'm going to leave it linked down below with a coupon code. I highly recommend y'all get this vacuum. I've never seen a vacuum like it. I've never used a vacuum like it, and it just suctions everything up in the matter of seconds. Now, I wanted to test out on wet messes, so I went ahead and used my milk, and I purposely made a mess on the floor just to see how well this thing can mop. And I'm going to be honest, y'all, this thing really surprised me. It surprised me. And then the best part is, even when you are vacuuming and mopping backwards, it works when you go forward and when you go backward. I'm just so in love with this vacuum, and I'm really, really, really surprised at the turbo. Oh my, y'all, it comes with 3 settings. It comes with a dry setting. Kyrie about to wake up. It comes with a dry setting, a regular setting, and then a turbo setting. That turbo setting can probably take the towel off of your floor because the suction is so powerful. I'm joking, y'all. The suction is so powerful, and I'm just sincerely impressed.